Hi everyone, it's Nelda. Welcome back to my channel and thank you for clicking this video. I hope you're all well. What you are seeing right now are 3 journals that I just completed, and the style of this journal is very similar to a traveler's notebook. The cover is fabric decorated with pretty book corner protectors. There's a book plate with the title My Thoughts, and each journal has one signature. The size is 9.5 by 5.5 inches. The base of the cover is a file folder backed with Tyvek envelope, so it is very durable and it is covered with pretty fabric. It has an elastic band that holds the notebook or inserts, and it is very easy to slide the notebook out of the band or add another notebook or a calendar, for example, or another signature. This cover can hold 2 signatures. The signature or the insert that goes with the fabric cover is also decorated on the outside, so it has its own cover, and if you do not want to use the fabric cover, that is okay because this can stand on its own. The pages are bound using pamphlet stitching, and there are 52 full-length pages front and back. There are a variety of small pieces of paper or inserts to make this journal more fun and interactive. I love the size of these journals because they are small enough to carry with you. These are great for people on the go, wonderful for memory keeping and trip planning. They don't take too much space. You can always keep it in your purses, so you can write down everything that comes to mind. Writing down at least 3 things that you are grateful for each day is a very positive activity. Capturing ideas and thoughts into paper is really very good for our mental health. If you have not started journaling yet, you have not done any writing down your thoughts on paper, I really encourage you to start because it has so many benefits, and over time you will create a positive collection of your thoughts that will bring you joy, and it is really good for you and me. So let me show you what I have here. I really hope that you like them. I used a variety of papers to complete each journal. There are plenty of pockets and tucks and inserts. The number of ephemera on each journal are the same, and the signature is very easy to slide in. You have room for one more signature. And the good thing about this style is when you are done with the signature, you can remove it very easily and you can slide in a new signature. Some of the pages are decorated with flowery laces and trims, and it is still a writing journal because though it is embellished, there are still plenty of spaces to write down your thoughts. Plus, I added inserts that you can use also. This is 5 yards of brown seam binding that you can use to decorate your pages or use it for your other projects. And there are Japanese paper and textured paper to add fun and life to this journal. So I will go ahead and do a flip through as I play beautiful music, and I will be back before the end of this video. I am back. Thank you so much for staying. All the details about this journal will be in my description. You can find them in my Etsy shop. They are very affordable. I made them with joy and love, and each journal is looking for a new home. I would like to thank all of you for staying here with me and watching this video. Thank you for supporting my channel. And if you are new, if you are not part of my YouTube family, please hit that like button and hit that subscribe button, and please join my YouTube family. My hope is that I inspire you today, even in the slightest and smallest way. Please stay safe. Thank you for watching. God bless you. Bye now. Till next time.